Hello guys, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all the competitive exams. So today we are going to discuss regular expressions. So regarding how to write a correct regular expression, I will tell you some examples. Okay, so you can always write a correct expression only after doing some mistakes. Okay, so anyway, we will discuss this interesting session. So join quickly and mark your presence. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you. Am I audible? Please confirm me once. Is my audio, video, everything is clear? So before I begin the session, so let me introduce myself. Myself, Murali Krishna Bukkasamudram. I am having 21 plus years of teaching experience, and also I am certified as International Engineering Educator through ISRO certification program, and also mentored more than 50,000 students across the country in different core areas of computer science and engineering. And these are the subjects of my expertise: theory of computation, operating systems, computer organization, computer networks, digital logic, and ICT, information and communication technology. So please, all of you, please join quickly and mark your presence. I hope I am audible and visible to every one of you. Am I audible? Is my audio, video, everything is clear? Am I clearly audible? Okay, that's great. Thank you. Thank you for your response. And let me start this session. Okay, you can just say hi or hello and just indicate your presence just like this. Okay, and also please do share this class information with your friends, and also you can subscribe the channel if you are not yet done subscription. So that is most important for getting notifications of classes, as we are providing different free classes, free series for GATE and other competitive exams. Okay, so join quickly. And so there is a GATE Rankers Monsoon series. It's a free course. So it is basically for electrical, electronics, and computer science. It is from 10th July. You can subscribe right now. All the faculty will teach their respective important topics. And so there is one workshop. So that is on 22nd July. That is on coming Sunday at 12 noon by Dhira Sardana sir and Abhinav Negi sir together. So this is the topic is, are 7 months enough to get the all India rank under 100 in the GATE exam? So that's what you are supposed to attend for this. It's a live interactive session. Okay. Am I audible and visible? Every one of you, please let me know. And please don't leave the session till the end of the session. I will let you know how to construct a regular expression correctly. And also I will just let you know uh, what are the different ways of doing mistakes while constructing the regular expression. So please quickly join and mark your presence. I hope I am audible and visible to every one of you. Basically, regular expression is nothing but it is a simplified format of all the strings of given regular language is called a regular expression. For instance, if you have a language like this, okay, we're having a null string and we are having AB and AB, AB. So this type of strings are present, AB, AB, AB. So AB instances 0 or more times. Then simply we can write this as a AB whole star. So it is a simplified format of all the strings of regular language. And regular expression is possible, please remember, only for regular languages. For a non-regular language, this regular expression is not possible. Okay. And the set of all strings accepted by the finite automata also can be represented in a simplified format called the regular expression, because finite automata is the machine characterization of regular languages, where in the regular language, so the finite automata can accept only regular languages, and we can't recognize non-regular languages through the finite automata. Okay, and let us suppose if R is a regular expression, then L of R is denoting the language associated with the regular expression. For example, L is this and regular expression is R. For example, this is R, this is equal to R, then L of R is language format, so expanded format. Okay, am I audible and visible? All of you, please let me know. Okay, so now coming to operators used in the regular expression, we use clean closure, union, and concatenation. So what do you mean by clean closure? So clean closure is nothing but if L is a language and L star is also regular language, so it is nothing but union of I starts from 0 to infinity L power I. So we can take 0 or more instances of a language or of a symbol. So that is what is a clean closure. And union is nothing but, for example, if L1 is regular, L2 is regular, L1 plus L2 is also regular. So that is what union of two regular languages. Concatenation of regular language is nothing but if L1 is regular and L2 is regular, L1 dot L2 is also regular. Okay. And clean closure means if L is regular, L star is also regular language. So that is the criteria actually. So for instance, if I take A plus B a whole power 2 indicates two instances. So first instance you can take A or BA, and second instance also you can take A or BA. So that means you can get a strings like AA, ABA or BAA or BABA. So this type of strings are possible. Okay. So that is the example. Now, basic identities in the regular expression, just for, if you see smallest regular identities, so that when you are constructing a bigger expressions, so this will be helpful. Okay. And please, all of you, you can just share the information of this class with your friends so that they can do better. All of you, please. Am I audible and visible? Just a moment. That's great. Okay. Now A plus A is nothing but A union A, it is A, and A plus epsilon is not equal to A because A plus epsilon, two regular expression, for example R1 is equal to R2 provided if L of R1 is the same as L of R2. L of R1 and L of R2 both are same, then we can say that R1 and R2 are same. Okay, so A plus epsilon is containing two strings, like epsilon is one string and A is one string. So the language of this is epsilon is there, A is there. But here in the A, only A. So both the strings are languages are not same. That's why both are not equivalent. And A dot epsilon, epsilon dot A. So A union A is A. Plus means union symbol here. And this is A dot epsilon, epsilon dot A is A because epsilon is a prefix and suffix for any string. And A dot A not equal to A because A dot A is containing a string containing two A's. It is a string containing only one A. That's the difference. Okay, now A plus B or B plus A both are same because the respective language is A comma B only. A comma B. Hope you are following. And AB not equal to BA because AB is a string starting with A and BA is a string starting with B. So the respective languages are not same. So expressions are also not same. A star whole star is equal to A star because when you take A star 0 or more times. So A star whole star is nothing but 0 or more times A star should come. So 0 time of anything is epsilon, 1 time is A star, and 2 times is A star, and 3 times is A star, 3 times A star, A star, A star. So you will get any number of A's. So any number of A's in the sense you will get epsilon, A, double A, triple A, any number of A's are possible. So that is nothing but it is equivalent to A star only. So A star whole closure is A star. ABC is AB and C. And A plus B plus C is A plus B plus C. And A dot phi or phi dot anything is equal to phi. You can remember all this. And A plus phi is equal to A. A is a language denoting A, and union phi is nothing but no string. So finally we are getting A only. And a phi star is equal to epsilon. These are the basic identities you have to remember. And AB, if you remember all these things, you can write the expression correctly. And of course, when you are analyzing some languages, you may do mistakes. When you do more mistakes, and you will get perfectness in the regular expression especially. And regular expression is not a unique, and we can write multiple regular expressions. And in the tomorrow's class, I will tell you comparison of regular expressions. Okay. So AB whole star is not equal to BA whole star. What is the meaning? AB whole star is nothing but 0 or more times AB can come. Like 0 instance of AB is epsilon, 1 instance is AB, 2 instances AB, AB, and so on. But a BA is nothing but strings starting with B. Like you can get epsilon and BA instance, okay, BA, BA, and this type of strings are possible. So both are not same. So the respective languages are not same. So that expression is not same. And A of BA whole star, what do you mean by A of BA whole star? So A followed by BA can come 0 or more times. So we can get single A and A followed by BA, A followed by BA, BA, and A followed by BA 3 times. So this type of strings are possible. And AB whole star A, AB whole star A. So minimum string is A, and one instance of AB followed by A, two instances of AB followed by A. So this type of strings are possible, and both are similar because their respective languages are equal. A plus B whole star means all combination of A's and B's. This is sigma star actually. When sigma is equal to A comma B, okay, sigma star means any combination of A's and B's. Like it can be written as A plus B whole star, B plus A whole star, A star B star whole star, B star A star whole star, etc. It gives any string of A's and B's. Is it clear? And if you have any doubt, please ask me. And some examples of regular expressions I will tell you, so that please concentrate more. So here you will understand exactly how we can give a regular expression. So here construct a regular expression for the set of all strings over alphabet A comma B, where each string has odd number of B's. So what do you mean by odd number of B's? First of all, you have to list out some of the valid strings. Odd number of B's means, but alphabet is equal to A comma B, we can have any number of A's. Irrespective of the number of A's, number of B's must be odd. So single B possible, AB possible, ABA possible, BA possible, AAB possible, BABB possible, okay, BABAB possible, okay, and AAB, ABB possible, BB, ABB, AB possible. So these are the some kind of strings where total number of B's must be odd. It is very simple by taking a reference. If A's are not there, for example, only B's are there, then odd number of B's, this is the expression. B followed by BB whole star, or BB whole star followed by B. So there are multiple ways of writing now. Now I am giving you, you can just have a look. Now A's can be any number, right? So before and after every B, there can be any number of A's. So we can write A star, B, A star of, so B A star, B A star whole star, because we can have B can present before and after every A. Before this B also, this A star can provide any number of A's. Okay, hope you people have understood. Now, shall I move on to the next? And this is one thing. And if you this is B, sorry, not A. This is B. I'm sorry, by mistake I have written that. And this is odd number of B's, right? So it will be B only. Okay, so either this is correct, or you can also write like this. If you take this as a reference, it is A star B, A star B whole star followed by, before this B and after this B also any number of A's are possible. So this is A star B A star. Hope you are following. So this is also correct regular expression for it. Is it clear? And please let me know if it is not clear. I request everybody to please do share the class information with your friends. And let us move on to the next question. Question number 2. Construct a regular expression over alphabet sigma is equal to 0, 1, where all strings should have a length multiple of 3. So what do you mean by string length multiple of 3? So length of the string is supposed to be, the length of the string is supposed to be like this. So it is supposed to be, lengths can be 0, it can be length 3, it can be length 6, it can be 9, it can be 12, it can be 15, like this. Okay, and alphabet sigma is 0, 1. So it is multiple of 3. It is something like, for example, if 0 or 1, if I write one time and whole star, it is a multiple of 1. If I write 0 or 1 twice, and if you put whole star, and each time when you take this, it will become length 2 multiple. Similarly, if you take 0 or 1 3 times and whole star, when you take 0 instance, you will get epsilon, 1 instance, you will get length 3, 2 instances, you will get length 6, like that it will go, and so on. If it is length n multiple, then you can write 0 or 1 n times and whole star. So finally, what is the correct expression now? This is the correct expression because he clearly mentioned it's length multiple of 3. String length multiple of 3. Okay. If I take one instance length 3, we can get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So all length 3 strings are possible. So finally, the answer to this question is 0 or 1, we have to write 3 times and whole closure. If you don't write whole closure, it will become length exactly 3. It will become length exactly 3. Hope you people have understood clearly. Okay, na? So that is the answer here. And sometimes even if it is written like 0 or 1 whole power cube whole star is also correct. Any doubt you could ask me once. Now coming to the next question. Yes, now construct a regular expression for strings over alphabet sigma is equal to 0 comma 1 where each string has at least 2 zeros. Can anybody write a regular expression for it? I will give you some time so that if you do mistakes and what mistake you have done, if you understand, very easy to give a correct regular expression. So I am just giving you 1 minute of time so you can try on your own what type of regular expression possible here. Hope you are following me. Don't hesitate to ask your doubts here. So at least 2 zeros means what are the strings, possible strings here? Minimum string is 0 0. We may have 0 1 0 also. We may have 1 0 0. Number of ones there is no restriction. 0 1 0 1, 1 0 1 0, 0 0 0. At least 2 means we can have 3 zeros also possible. And 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. So this type of strings are very much possible. At least 2 zeros. 3 zeros also okay. So this type of strings. Can anybody give a expression for it? At least 2 zeros. For example, if somebody write like this, let us suppose 0 plus 1 whole star, 0 0 0 plus 1 whole star. This is wrong because we can't get a string like 0 1 0. It is for all combinations of zeros and ones containing substring 0 0. It is all combination of zeros and ones substring 0 0. But it is 0 1 0 is not possible in that. Okay. So that's the reason we can have a different expression. And have you tried, anybody tried for this? Construct regular expression for the strings over alphabet sigma is equal to 0 comma 1 where each string has at least 2 zeros. So minimum 2 zeros and more than 2 zeros are also okay. Yeah. So presence of 2 zeros we can fix, and before and after every zero we can give any combination of zeros and ones. That will work out. So any combination of zeros and ones means here we can give 0 plus 1 whole star. And here we can give 0 plus 1 whole star, and here we can give 0 plus 1 whole star. This is how we can give substring, sorry, at least 2 zeros. All combination of zeros and ones containing at least 2 zeros. Hope you people understood. So 0 1 0, because 0 plus 1 whole star give you any combination of zeros and ones here. Okay, shall I carry on with the next question? Okay, and we have seen all these questions. Now coming to the next question. Yes, construct a regular expression for the set of all binary strings whose starting and ending symbols are same. So what do you mean by binary strings? So binary is nothing but the alphabet sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. Am I correct? Binary is nothing but the alphabet sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. And we need to construct a regular expression for the set of all binary strings whose starting and ending symbols are same. So that means if you start with 0 and you should end with 0. If you start with 1, you should end with 1. So that means 0 if you start and if you end with 0, and in between we can have any combination of zeros and ones like this. So it can be 0 plus 1 whole star. Or if I start with 1, you should end with 1. In between we can have any combination of zeros and ones. So this is 0 plus 1 whole star. Or single 0 also possible, single 1 also possible, because in a single 0 that itself is a starting and itself is a ending. In a single 0, 0 is a starting, 0 is ending. In a single 1, and 0 is a 1 is a starting and 1 is ending. You have to include that, and epsilon is not necessary because epsilon is not a symbol here, so it is not starting with anything. So we can consider just 0 or 1. I will just write it once again. Just wait, and yeah, either single 0 or single 1 also should be required. Any doubt? You are not sending any messages here. And starting and ending symbol different means 0 start ending 1 and 1 start ending 0, like that it will go. That is an example of this regular expression. Now coming to one more example. Construct a regular expression for the set of all strings over sigma is equal to a comma b, where each string has at least one a and at least one b. So presence of one a and one b is required. Presence of one a and one b is required. So what is the minimum string as per this? So AB is one minimum string and BA is one minimum string, 1A and 1B means, and AAB is also possible and BAB is also possible. Okay, and AABA also possible. Presence of 1A and 1B. So when you are exploring with the minimum strings, always you can get a correct expression. Okay, what are the minimum string here? AB is the minimum, BA is minimum, AAB and BBA also, and BABA also. Presence of one A and one B is must. So there are two ways of doing this. So for example, if one A and one B is present, before and after every A and B, we can put any combination of A's and B's like this. A plus B whole star A, again A plus B whole star, again B, followed by A plus B whole star. So, but it is A followed by B, but BA will not come from this. So for that, we can take a fixing of B and A, and we can take before and after every B and A, we can take any combination of A's and B's. So A plus B whole star B, again A plus B whole star A, again A plus B whole star. Like this also we can consider. Or actually for this, we can have another expression also. Multiple regular expressions are possible, as I told you. It can also be written like A plus B whole star, either AB or BA, followed by A plus B whole star. So whatever the string with at least one A, one B will work out here. And the only condition is wrong strings should not be accepted, right string should not be missed. That is a criteria. That is another example. Okay. And one more example. Construct a regular expression for the set of all strings over sigma is equal to a comma b comma c, where each string has at least one a, at least one b, and at least one c. This I am giving you as a homework. So I am just giving you, don't do like how we have done the previous one, because every problem you have to handle independently. Why independently? Because here maybe alphabet is only a comma b. So when you follow the same procedure, you may not get, like if I have taken ABC, ACB as a substring, like you have taken AB or B as substring, it may not work out. So think over. But meanwhile, I wanted to give you some of the valid strings here. I wanted to give you the hint. So you have to work more on this. Like ABC is required, okay, and ACB is required, minimum 1A, 1B, 1C, okay. BAC is required, BCA is required, and CAB is required, CBA is required. Even AABBCC also possible, BBCAA, okay. So any string of A's and B's and C's having presence of 1A, 1B, 1C. So these are some of the probable combinations, or you may get A, B, C, A. So this type of strings are possible. Okay. Now coming to, yeah, that's all. You can try this, and if you don't get the answer, I will discuss in the next session. That is a tomorrow session. And also about the correct regular expression about this, you can also just share your thoughts on the comment box. So after the session is finished, please work on this, and in the comment box you can just mention your thoughts on the solution to this problem. At least one A, one B, one C is required. Okay, na? Hope everybody understood this, and if you have any doubt or any concern, kindly do let me know. Yes. And okay, you can also try like this, just like this, but you have to ensure that these minimum strings are being generated. So always you will get a right answer when all the what are possible minimum strings if you can verify. Okay na? And every one of you please do share and like this session. Don't forget to press the bell button for getting more notifications related to the classes of YouTube. Okay, and all the best. And tomorrow we will discuss the same time how to compare the regular expressions, as we are having multiple regular expressions possible for a same language, how to compare them and how to ensure that whether they are equivalent or not equivalent, how to identify. So this thing will continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you very much. See you all. Bye bye. Good night.